Hey everyone, this is Matt with Cell Prep. I'm here to show you this amazing piece that we picked up in Kailua. This is what looks like a normal piece of cabinetry furniture. Actually, if you come closer, is an antique Singer sewing machine. We checked out the model and the serial number, and it turns out that this model was released in 1911. That makes it over 102 years old. Down here, we have a drawer that includes this little tray. This piece even came with spare parts. So even if something breaks on this machine, you actually have spare parts to repair it. Look at this old oil can. Clear indication that this is from a different time. Right here you'll notice a button, and this actually keeps the unit in place. So if you push it, slides up like so. Now look at the paint on this. This is over 100 years old. There's some clear wear and tear, meaning that it was actually used. It didn't just sit in the corner. But considering the time and everything that has occurred in the past 100 years, I'd say it's in pretty good shape.